Good morning. My name is Dr. Adebayo Olewaseun. I'm from Nigeria. I work in the Federal University of Technology, Akure. I'm happy to be part of the participants under the Access Agriculture RUFORUM program for the Young Career Communication Skills. I'm happy to be in Uganda to participate because under this program, I've learned so much. I'm now supposed to be a blogger myself. I created my own blog and I can make different video shorts, moving to the farmers, ask them how they make their money, and with this I'm able to get how to prepare my own organic pesticides in order to deal with pests that affect my crops in the farm. And at the same time, with the experience I gain here, by the time I go back to my country, I'm happy I'll be able to impart more knowledge to my students. And at the same time, instead of using my money to get synthetic chemicals, I can gather my own local materials and made my own organic chemicals that I know will fetch me more money aside from improving my yield. Thank you.